Welcome to today's review of the BISSELL CleanView XR 200W Lightweight Cordless Vacuum. If you're in search of a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use vacuum for your home, this could be the perfect option for you. Today, we'll break down its features, performance, and why it stands out among other vacuums. Let's dive in. Powerful cleaning performance. The BISSELL CleanView XR boasts a 200W motor, providing robust suction power. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, or tile, this vacuum gets the job done. Its Tangle-Free brush roll ensures hair and debris don't clog up the brush, which is a huge advantage for pet owners. The result? Effortless cleaning without frequent interruptions to untangle hair. Cordless convenience. Being cordless, the CleanView XR offers unmatched convenience. You're no longer tethered to outlets, which allows you to move freely from room to room. The removable battery gives you up to 35 minutes of runtime on a single charge, making it ideal for both quick cleanups and extended cleaning sessions. The battery is also easy to replace, so you can swap it out and continue cleaning without waiting for a recharge. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Weighing just a few pounds, the BISSELL CleanView XR is incredibly easy to maneuver. The vacuum's XL tank ensures you can clean large areas without constantly emptying the dustbin. The ergonomic design reduces strain on your hands and arms, so cleaning becomes less of a chore and more of a breeze. Smart features. This vacuum also features LED lights on the front, making it easy to spot dust and debris in hard-to-see areas, like under furniture or in dark corners. This ensures that you're not missing any dirt. Plus, the dusting and crevice tool is perfect for getting into tight spaces, cleaning baseboards, and removing dust from furniture and upholstery. Space-saving storage. The BISSELL CleanView XR also comes with a wall mount, which allows for easy storage and charging when not in use. It's designed to save space in your home, and the wall mount keeps your vacuum ready for action whenever you need it. Why this vacuum stands out? One of the key features that sets the CleanView XR apart is its balance of power and convenience. Many vacuums either sacrifice suction for portability or are too bulky and difficult to store. BISSELL has managed to strike the right balance, offering excellent performance in a compact, lightweight design. This vacuum is also known for its durability and build quality, making it a long-term investment for your home. Final thoughts. In summary, the BISSELL CleanView XR 200W cordless vacuum is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a lightweight, powerful, and easy-to-use vacuum that's ideal for both quick cleanups and deep cleaning. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dirt, or everyday messes, this vacuum will get the job done with ease. With its long battery life, tangle-free brush, and convenient storage options, it's designed to make cleaning faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching this review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews. If you've used this vacuum or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.